Today we are getting out of the city and visiting the countryside around Cologne. Bergisches Land is a paradise for hikers and great for a day trip.
We're going on the Binsberger Schlossweg. The 9.4 kilometers trek is quite easy. The start and finish is the parking lot at the town hall in Binsberg.
From Cologne city center, take the tram line 1. The journey takes around half an hour. A 4-ride ticket in price category 2B costs €15.40. When there are 3 or more people, a group day ticket for €16.50 is well worth the money.
First we go through Binsberg and past the town hall, which the locals affectionately call Monkey Rocks.
Schloss Binsberg is a real eye-catcher. Just take a look for yourself.
Then the beautiful part of the hike begins, through a forest and along historical routes.
Have you ever seen anything like this before? You can get fresh milk at this station.
Take a break at Naturfreundehaus Hart. Here you can get refreshing drinks.
Don't sit too long, we still have 3 kilometers to go.
After about 4 hours, you finally reach your destination.
Did we arouse your curiosity? Well, put on your hiking boots and let's go! And the best way to get to Cologne is to visit GoEuro, the travel platform for trains, buses and flights. Bye bye and see you soon!